Welcome back. So I think I'm gonna show you guys my wardrobe closet, like give you a tour today. I attempted to do this before, but it didn't come out the way I envisioned it. So when I was editing it, I was like, no, I'm not feeling this at all. So today is going to be the tour of my open closet. You guys saw how I put it together, but I want to show you guys exactly what's in there and show you how I store my pants, and yeah, that's it. I make videos on home decor, beauty, fashion, and pretty much anything that is chic on a budget. Okay? Budget is the key over here. So let me show you guys this closet. And if you guys haven't seen the first video on how I scored this closet, because this closet, this open packs system, it's not a closet, but it's a wardrobe system, was all purchased for under $100. Yes, 100 bucks. Your girl called deals on top of deals on top of deals. So let's head on over here. So I'm going to show you guys my open wardrobe really quick. Now, it's not that big, but that's okay. It's not about the size. It's not all about size, okay? It works for me because my closet that is right here is literally the only storage that I really have in my apartment. So I knew I had to come out of that closet if I wanted to ever see my clothes and actually start a new wardrobe, which is what I did. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know at the beginning of the year, that was one of my goals, was to redo my whole wardrobe. And I'm not quite there yet because some days I still go and look and say I have nothing to wear. But I think that's because I don't have a lot of shirts. Like, I don't know. I threw a lot of shirts out and I didn't replenish them. So I have lots of jackets. I have lots of pants, shorts, but I didn't get a lot of tops. So let me stop rambling and show you guys what's over here. So at the top, at the very, very top, okay, so I'm just gonna stand on this little step stool so you guys can see me. But at the top, I have some purses, and then on the next shelf, I have purses as well as some boots. And then over here, I have some heels and another purse. This area is just like all of the stuff that I wanted to display. And I do plan to put lights in here because I think that when you have shelving, if you put lights in your shelving, they look amazing. So I actually have lighting already. This is from Ikea and it would fit really, really nicely in there. But I haven't purchased all the other pieces of hardware that I need. So once I get those, then I think I'm going to maybe drill some holes in the back and then kind of run it down, because there's an outlet right down here. But I think I'm going to run it down there so that I can light this up when I want to. And then also, you guys can see that it doesn't go all the way up to the top of the ceiling. You know, it doesn't hit the ceiling. So I want to add some wood to give it kind of like that crown molding finish, but it's not going to be the decorative kind because that's not my style in this place, so I don't even want to start with the crown molding. But I do want to cap it off so that it can look built in. And once I do that, I think it's really going to look bad, like really, really badass. So that is that little area. Okay, so the first bar of clothing that you see is where I keep all of my long jackets, my kimonos, and my dresses. And I really like this area because it is giving me everything that I need, like everything. I wanted to break it up just so I can fit more clothes because it's not the biggest wardrobe, but it works. And if you move over here, I have my tops. And like I said, I don't have a whole lot of tops, but I try to make it work. Now, I do like to color block my clothes. I am currently loving stripes for some reason. I don't know. And this is really why I like having this open wardrobe system, because I can literally eyeball my wardrobe and, you know, get an idea of what I'm wearing the most. And right now I am wearing a lot of stripes. Look, stripes, 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 more stripes. Like, I don't know. So when I go shopping, I will not be purchasing any more stripes because I clearly have enough. And right now the basic colors that I'm wearing is just like olive green, gray, black, and that's pretty much it, in stripes. So I love that open concept for that reason alone. Okay, so down here is where I keep my jackets. I don't have a ton of them, but you know, again, it's color blocked from the cream to black to denim and blush, you name it. I just keep my jackets there. And then on the bottom of the wardrobe shelves, I have some more shoes down there. So that is where I keep all of my tops and my long pieces of clothing. And it just, I don't know, I really like walking in this room. It didn't take up a lot of space either because, as you guys know, this was my office, like a just dedicated kind of like office. But then I purchased a new mattress, and then my old mattress came in here for the guest room. So now it's like a office slash guest room slash wardrobe room. Way to maximize, right? Okay. And then here is where I keep all of my shoes that I want to display. I really just like this piece because it makes the closet feel a little bit bigger, because it's really just 2 panels, and most people don't get a PAX closet system, which is 2. So this gives me, you know, it kind of defines where it ends, and then it's just more display. So I just keep some shoes there, and I have my thigh-high boots right there. So I keep all my pants and my jeans in here. Okay, so over here I keep my basic pants. These are denim, but they, I mean, you know, they're very stretchy. So these all have like the same kind of quality. So this is my white denim, my olive moto denim, and then black. And then over here is where I keep all of my distressed jeans. They're different styles. This pair here is boyfriend style. This is like the paper bag style. And then this is just some regular distressed denim that I got from Fashion Nova. And then more distressed denim and some linen over here. And I really like to make my wardrobe feel like a store. I worked in retail, guys, and I was in love with making the clothes look perfect. If I could have just done that and not have to deal with the customers, like, I probably would still be in retail. I freaking loved it so much. So that's that drawer. The next drawer is where I keep all of my shorts. And here I have my really short shorts. How you doing? And then in the middle, I keep my Bermuda shorts. These are my shorts that have like a cotton kind of feel to them. And there's nothing really going on down here. Clothes or whatever. Nothing crazy. And the last dresser drawer is where I keep all of my belts. I keep my accessories that I have newly purchased. So in here I keep all my newly purchased accessories, any scarves that I purchased and I haven't worn, and then I'll keep all my hats in here. Kind of going for that. All right, so that's where I keep everything at. I do have more shoes in this closet, and I just keep them in like a clear bucket. Those are where I keep, you know what? Let me show you where I keep my sandals. So in this closet, on top of my Alex dresser, I have this little cute, inexpensive acrylic bucket, and I got this one from Five Below, and it's really cute because I can see what's in here, and it just sits right on top of my white Alex dresser, so it just blends in so well. And then I keep my bigger sandals in this little magazine holder. I got this thing a long time ago, y'all. This is the Nicole Miller Home collection, and I just can't seem to give it away. I like it. I don't know. That's where I keep majority of all my stuff, and then in the closet is just like some random dresses that I probably won't wear anytime soon, and some scarves that I don't wear that often, and a few more pair of shoes and some bags. That's it. So my goal is to keep this wardrobe this size because I don't go that many places, so I really shouldn't have to purchase a whole bunch of clothes, but I do need to purchase some more shirts, so I am going to be doing that soon, and you guys may have some hauls coming your way depending on what I find. I'm the worst, guys, because I will buy a bunch of stuff and then take it back. It's just, I don't know. If I don't love it, I don't keep it. And I'm like that with everything. If I don't love it, I can't. So hopefully I can find some tops that I actually like. I got this top from Love Culture, and I really like this top. It's so cute. So that is my wardrobe haul, guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, did I say it right? If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Don't forget, stay you, stay beautiful, stay chic, and I'll see you on the next upload. All right. Later, guys.